Good morning, students. Already we discussed about physical properties of acid. Now we discuss about chemical properties of acids. So, what are the chemical properties of acids? First one is conductance. What is meant by conductance? To conduct electricity. Acids which conduct electricity in aqueous solution. Why does acids conduct electricity in aqueous solution? Due to presence of ions. Acids which can dissolve in aqueous solution to give H plus ions. This H plus ions to conduct electricity. Next property 2. Reaction of acids with metals. Reaction of acids with metals. Are all metals react with acids? No. Only few metals react with acids. Few metals does not react with acids. Why does some metals does not react with the acids? Because they are stable elements. Example: mercury, gold, silver do not react with the acids. Some metals react with the acids. Examples: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, potassium, copper, etc. One example: metals react with acids to form salt under liberation of hydrogen gas. For example, sodium metal react with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride plus H2. So here sodium metal react with a dilute hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and liberation of H2 gas. This is salt. Another one, take magnesium react with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate plus liberation of hydrogen gas. Magnesium react with hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and H2 gas. Balance the equation. Aluminium react with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride plus H2. Balance the equation. Next, again anyone you have to take calcium. Calcium react with sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate plus H2 gas. These all metals react with acids to form salt under liberation of hydrogen gas. But here copper react with the concentrated acid to form nitrogen dioxide. Copper react with nitric acid to form copper nitrate plus H2O and liberation of nitrogen dioxide. Balance the equation. Next, again, this copper react with a dilute nitric acid to form nitrogen monoxide. Copper react with a dilute nitric acid. 8 moles to form copper nitrate plus H2O plus nitrogen monoxide. Now balance the equation. Here, copper reacts with the concentrated nitric acid to release the nitrogen dioxide. Copper reacts with the dilute nitric acid to release the nitrogen monoxide. These all are examples of reaction of acids with metals. How to react acids with metals to show the activity? Our aim is to show the reaction of acids with metals. What are the materials required? One is test tube, stand, car, delivery tube, soap solution, this is matchstick, zinc metal, hydrochloric acid. These all are materials. Next, procedure. So one by one we discuss. Set up the operators shown in the figure. Point number 1. Take a small test tube and add a few grams of zinc metal in a test tube. Then few amount of hydrochloric acid added into the test tube. Then test tube mouth closed with a rubber cork. Next, take a delivery tube, one end of the delivery tube keep inside of the test tube through a rubber cork. Then second end of the delivery tube keep inside of the soap solution. Next, what you observe? Is there any changes? Name the gas evolved in the process. When we observe here, whenever zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid to form salt and water. Now observe, zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid to form salt and liberation of hydrogen gas. Balance the equation. So whenever hydrogen gas formed in the test tube, these gases passes through the soap solution through a delivery tube. How you can identify the liberation of H2 gas? By taking burning matchstick. Keep them near soap bubbles. It gives pop sound, will burn brightly. Then we can identify the liberation of H2 gas. This is the activity of reaction of metals with acids. Next, second property is metals oxides react with acids. How does metal oxides react with acids? By taking example. Metal oxides react with dilute acids to form salt and water. Examples: calcium oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide, magnesium oxide, barium oxide, zinc oxide. These all are examples of metal oxides. These metal oxides react with acids. Example 1, calcium oxide solid react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form salt and water. Liquid aqueous. Balance the equation. Here 2 chlorines is there, here 1 chlorine is there. 1 becomes to 2 chlorines. What is the suitable number? 2. Now balance the equation. Let's take another example. Sodium oxide react with dilute sulfuric acid to form salt and liberation of water molecule. Next, potassium oxide. Potassium oxide react with dilute sulfuric acid to form salt and water. Magnesium magnesium oxide react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and water. Now balance the chemical equation. This side have two chlorine atoms, this side have one chlorine atom. One chlorine atom becomes two chlorine atoms. What is the suitable number in front of the acid? 2. Now balance the chemical equation. Another one take barium oxide react with dilute HCl to form barium chloride plus H2O. Barium oxide react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form barium chloride and water molecule. This side having two chlorine atoms, this side having one chlorine atom. One chlorine atom becomes two chlorines. Which number suitable in front of acid? By taking 2. Now balance the chemical equation. Next, zinc oxide react with dilute H2SO4 to form salt and water. That is zinc sulfate plus water. These all are example of metal oxides react with the acids. Next, third one. Acids react with the bases. What happens? Acids react with the bases. Whenever acids react with the bases to form salt and water. Example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride plus H2O. This reaction also called as neutralization reaction. Why do we call neutralization reaction? Base having sour taste, acid having sour taste, base having bitter taste. These two react to form salty state. That's why it is called as neutralization reaction. Take another example. Sulfuric acid react with calcium hydroxide to form calcium sulfate plus water molecule. Sulfuric acid react with calcium hydroxide to form calcium sulfate and water molecule. Another example, nitric acid react with potassium hydroxide to form potassium nitrate plus H2O. Nitric acid react with potassium hydroxide to form salt and water. Another example, hydrochloric acid react with magnesium hydroxide to form salt and water. Magnesium chloride plus H2O. Now balance the chemical equation. Is balanced or not? Check it. So here 2 chlorines is there, but here 1 chlorine is there. 1 chlorine becomes 2 chlorine. What is the suitable number in front of HCl? 2. Now balance the chemical equation. So this is called as neutralization reaction. Tomorrow will be continue. Thank you.